So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then just show you what my favorite feature of this saw is. And despite what you might think, I didn't just buy this because it's a DeWalt and it's black and yellow. There's actually one feature that I was really keen on getting with a new table saw. From what I understand, it's a pretty decent worksite saw, and I guess for DIYers like myself and people doing home renovation should be pretty good. Let's just do a quick time lapse where I unpack everything and assemble it, and then we can take a look at some key features. So let's go.
To turn back the clock to the days of old, back to the days when all the things we knew were made of gold. As the world moves on, time sings a song in the old neighborhood. As the clock strikes one, just as it stood, like a quiet dream. Shadows of that time are cast beneath the streetlight beam. As the world moves on, time sings a song. Don't cry.
Okay, it's getting dark outside. I need to hurry up before I still have some natural light to shoot in, but it's all done. I don't have anything to complain about in terms of build quality and whatnot. So it comes with your standard things like the blade guard. It comes with this little... I'm not an expert, but this is some kind of angle glidey thingamajig. The actual reason I bought this saw is because I had a Bosch one, a Bosch green, kind of a cheap table saw, and it really showed how cheap it was. It was the fence. And if you don't want a fence to wobble all around and mess up your work, you need a good fence. So that was the thing I was looking for when picking this saw. So let me show you. So first of all, you can remove the whole thing altogether. Just flip out these two things and you can flip it up. And you can store it underneath if you don't want the fence around. If you're cutting a bigger piece of wood or something, you can just remove the fence altogether. And you also have this little thing, not sure what it's called, but it's pretty handy. You just flip it over. Also have the pokey stick is stored right behind the fence. And sorry for not using the correct terms, but I don't know them, so this is what you get. Either way, this one. I love it. Because this one has a really fancy pinion gear right here, moving a big chunky thingamajig. So, and this goes for both sides, so I don't have to worry about this being uneven in a way. So yeah, I'm gonna test it in a future video, so stay tuned for that, and yeah, bye bye.